Barge calls can be made from the contact list as either a private one-to-one call or a one-to-many ad hoc call. Upon call connection, your initial voice burst will barge through to the recipient's phone. We'll start with a private one-to-one call. From the Contacts tab, select the intended contact and see the PTT button turn green. Press Push to Talk to initiate the call. Upon hearing the grant tone, begin speaking. Release the PTT button when you are finished speaking. Your private one-to-one call will appear at the top of the channel list as the selected TX and RX channel. The call will idle timeout when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may press RX to manually end the call. This can be done from the Expanded widget or the Channel tab. Once ended, the call will remain on the channel list until a different channel becomes the selected TX, or until the TX is manually deselected. For call recipients, this temporary channel will disappear from your channel list. A one-to-many ad hoc call proceeds in the same way. From the Contacts tab, select multiple recipients from your contact list. This will be a three-way call between the initiator and the two recipients. Press the PTT button, and once you hear the grant tone, begin speaking. Your one-to-many ad hoc call will appear as the top channel on your list and become your Select to Talk channel. The call will idle timeout when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may press RX to manually end the call. As with the one-to-one call, the call will remain on the channel list until a different channel becomes the selected channel.